Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at Wave Payroll, found at waveapps.com/payroll/. This service offers a comprehensive solution for managing your small business payroll, and it's definitely worth exploring. Wave Payroll handles a variety of payroll tasks, streamlining the process from start to finish. It calculates wages, withholds taxes accurately, and even takes care of direct deposit for your employees. This eliminates the need for manual calculations and reduces the risk of errors, saving you valuable time and potential headaches. Beyond just processing paychecks, Wave Payroll offers additional features designed to simplify other administrative burdens. For instance, it helps manage year-end tax forms, such as W-2s and 1099s, a process that can be quite complex and time-consuming. This integrated approach keeps everything in one place, facilitating a smooth and organized tax season. Additionally, the platform provides helpful reporting tools, allowing you to track payroll expenses, analyze labor costs, and generate valuable insights into your business's financial health. Wave boasts a user-friendly interface designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for those without a background in payroll management. The platform aims to simplify the often daunting task of payroll, making it easier for small business owners to focus on what they do best, running their business. This streamlined approach reduces administrative overhead and allows you to concentrate on growth and development. Another significant advantage of using a service like Wave Payroll is the automatic compliance with ever-changing tax laws and regulations. The software updates itself to reflect current legislation, ensuring that your payroll remains accurate and compliant, minimizing potential legal issues and penalties. By automating these critical processes, Wave Payroll empowers small business owners to regain control of their time and resources. Instead of getting bogged down in complex calculations and paperwork, you can dedicate your energy to growing your business and achieving your goals. While there are many payroll solutions available, Wave Payroll presents a compelling option, particularly for small businesses seeking a comprehensive, affordable, and user-friendly platform. I encourage you to check out the link in the description and explore Wave Payroll further to see if it's the right fit for your business needs.